Hey guys, welcome to Daily Dev channel. Today's video about installing Python 3.7 in a Docker container, and the other part of the video is to run python.py inside the Docker container. The prerequisite for this video is you must have a Docker installed in your local machine. Docker must be up and running like I have it here. And if you don't have local installed to your local machine, you can download it and install it from the docker.com website. Okay, let's get started. We need to grab the image from Docker Hub, Python image, by going to Google, search for Docker Hub, and here go to the search and search for Python or whatever images or technologies you are looking for. Here's the official image. I will go with the first one. Here are the tags or the versions of the image or the Python versions in different image, and most of image creators will put some notes about how you could use their images. Here for Python, to use that we need to create a Docker file. We'll just go to the desktop, create a folder here. We'll name it my Python in the image. Opening folder. From there, I like to use terminal. Steps doesn't matter if you have Windows or Mac, just follow the same steps. Let's make the font bigger so you guys can see better. Probably this is too big. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, maximize this window. Let's go back to the instructions. We need to create a Docker file. In Mac, we just touch and write the file name. Most important things is the Docker file starts with a capital D and end with no extension. Okay, should be able to see the file there. Oops, we don't see it because we didn't really cd to this folder. And we'll need to run the command again, touch Docker file. You can see it there. Use whatever editor you prefer, even if a text edit should be fine. I like VS Code. Here are the instructions. We are inside the Docker file. We need to run the following commands. The simplest command is going to be just from, and it must be capital, and then the argument is Python and colon 3.7. The colon separates the image version from the text we have just seen here. And for the simplest image possible, that's all what we need. We don't have to write all of that. There's a reason for every line. For now, we'll use just the first line to grab the image as it is without alteration. Okay, the next step is to build the image like we have here. We'll just say docker build -d, mean tag it with the following name, my Python app, and then put dot, meaning look for the doc file in this folder to build the image, and tag it with this name. Enter. You can see there's only one line that we wrote, and the image has been built successfully and tagged with this name. Now to run it, we will just need to say docker run -it for interactive mode, and then just the name of the image, and then Python. You see Python 3.7.2. This is inside the container. Say hello Docker. Awesome. Okay, that's how you run Python in a container. Now the second thing we wanted to do is in this video is to run a file inside the container, which is a hello.py file. To do so, we need to create a file, which is hello.py. Should be able to see it here. Again, edit with whatever editors you prefer. Just gonna write print the simplest command, hello from Docker container. Save it. And let's go back. Now, to get it inside the container, we need to alter the Docker file and put an instruction there to do that, which is basically the other commands we have skipped previous time, which is for directory, and that's basically we'll create the folder and cd to it, source app, and copy, which is another command that will copy from your local machine to inside the container. As long as we have the hello.py next to the Docker file, we'll just say ./Docker file, and the second argument is going to be, after putting a space, is the path inside the container to be copied to, which is the same path that we have here. Okay, that's enough. We have to save it, and we will need to rebuild the image. Docker build -d, tag it with my python -app space dot, meaning look for the Docker file here and build it. As you can see, here are the 3 lines we wrote. It has been built and tagged correctly. All what we need to do is run it. Oh, that's another command. Docker run -p my python app. Just need to say, well, before that, let me show you that the file is inside the container now. hello.py. So to run it, we could just say docker run my python app python hello.py. Hello from inside the container. Awesome. Hello from Docker container, actually. Now to bash or to SSH to the container, as you know, container is basically an image of Linux. We could just run the following command: run my python app bash. That will SSH to inside the container, as you can see. We'll do ls, or if you go to the root folder to list all the files and folders, as you can see, it's a folders of a Linux machine. Okay, you could exit from there, and that's a wrap up. Basically, we have done 2 things today. We have learned how to install Python 3.7 inside the container instead of installing it directly to your machine, and we created the hello.py file and move it to inside the container and run it there. And also the third thing was SSH to the container. Please feel free to write in the comments if I missed anything, or if you want in-depth tutorial about every single line we wrote, or even if you want other tutorials about Docker, just write in the comments. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.